Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room Recap for Friday, July the 19th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions you may have for me, you can use this email address. This is a link to get into our free room, 100% free. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our free trading room. I open the room every morning at 9 o'clock Eastern Time. That's when I start to share my screen, get live on the mic. And I go up to 3 o'clock actually on Fridays and 3:30 on Mondays to Thursdays. And in the email you're getting, you will see a promo code for 15% off either the first month or the entire year of a Trade Ideas subscription. Okay, so this is the first day actually that you've been following me. I've been looking at the AI, what I call the AI yesterday. So these are some of the alerts that now actually this is the only one that made the cut from yesterday's AI, but I had some that carried over. Actually, I guess MYL did a little bit too. This is the only one that truly made the cut from yesterday. Now, I did get the alert at 2076, but I've always found that ENPH is a pretty tough one to trade. I did trade it. Just a second. Okay, just a second. I have to open a chart again. Give me a second here. I just find that it's a tough one it's a tough one to intraday trade. I guess if I had enough, maybe taken fewer shares or something, I may have been able to hold on to it. But it can be a pretty whippy one. Just give me a second as I bring my chart in. Okay, so there it is again. Sorry about that. So you can see how choppy it is. I mean, this is a 15-minute chart. I mean, look at it yesterday. 15-minute chart just chopping up and down. When I say chop, I mean look at all the topping tails and bottoming tails. Typically when you start using 15, 30-minute charts, these things tend to smooth out. That's why people ask me, why don't you use a 1-minute chart or a 2-minute chart? Because you'll see a lot of this in those time frames. You tend not to see quite as much as you move up in time frame, but this is just a real choppy one. So anyway, bottom line is, as I said, I did get the alert right here at 2076. I'd love to say I took it at 2076 and I sold it all up here at 2117. Not quite. I actually ended up taking this trade. Where did I take it? Right about here, just underneath the whole number. Yeah, right about here actually. Excuse me. It tried to pop up through the whole number, but look how many times it was doing that. And then I just got out of it. I said, I just can't handle this. So I'm not in this one. It'll probably remain though. I'll probably watch it going forward because, it'll probably remain near the high of the day. This is an all-time high. I mean, this is one of these ones that is a very cheap one, but this is actually an all-time high for it. But I do find it a bit difficult to intraday trade. But who knows? Maybe on Monday, assuming I keep it in the mix, who knows? Maybe it will turn out to be something that finally has a smoother run. And the only other one, I mean, really, this was a very quiet day for me. I did want to concentrate on those AI alerts from the day before. And, again, the ENPH was really the only one that triggered. But I did take this pace. This turned out to be a very nice trade. Now, if you're unfamiliar with this one, you're going to kind of say, well, how the heck did that happen? So this is actually not an IPO. It looks like it's an IPO. This is the first day it was trading as pays, though. I'm not sure. I don't know how to classify this, if it was a reorganization or just the company decided to change its symbol. But this is the first day it started to trade under pays. So nothing so fancy until you get to here, base, and then look at this run it's had. I mean, just a tremendous run on just basically a simple change as far as I know. So I looked at this one. I actually said in the pre-market that this one might be, just keep watching this. I mean, this might still have, a run in it. And look what it did right off the bat. But again, look at these topping tails. Buyers kept trying, sellers knocked it down. Buyers try, sellers knock it down, buyers try. Finally, it looks like the buyer said, okay, you guys win for a while anyway. So I saw this one. I liked this one when it broke underneath the whole number of 18. I really like this one. Also, at that time, I believe the SPY was starting to do this thing, okay? So the SPY was kind of trickling down. So I took this. I took this trade right here. I took the 1785. This is on a short, and boy, that was really quick. I took some out at 1757. I took some out at 1742, and I was able to. This was a spike high, but it came right back down. Normally this would have got me out, but it was so quick and it just came right back down. So the fact that I'd already sold some here or covered some here and here really didn't bother me that much, even if I'd had to cover it up here because I didn't have that much left. And now I'm out of it all in this area here again, as it moved all the way down to 1726. So what I loved about this trade though is that I watched it. You have to understand that I watched this and I watched to see if it was going to take 18 out. I saw that candle. That was the candle that really got me interested. And there's a cross right there also. You see the 8 EMA crossing down below the 20 SMA. That can signify a short setup also. So this is the candle that got me interested. Started watching it and watched to see, okay, is it going to start to go back again? But the minute it gave up 18 again, that's when I decided, okay, you have to try. And at the worst that was going to happen is that, I was going to get out in this area here. If it had gone anywhere close back to 18, I was going to get out. So I had about a 10, 11 cent stop on it. So that turned out to be a very, very nice trade. And that is about it. I want to get back into the room, just sort of see if anything is going to shake out at the end of the day. Lots of interesting alerts again. I have to be honest, though, I was really trying to concentrate on these alerts from yesterday's Holly and some of the carry-throughs from, like, this one was not yesterday, but it was a couple of days ago. Kara, I'm still interested in Kara. What's Kara doing right now? Yeah, I mean Kara over 26. You can't quite see it, but Kara over 26 could still get me interested. Again, this was my star that I traded 4 times, and it's still above this area here. So Kara over 26 might get me interested today again. All right. Well, I want to bring back the capture program. So I hope everybody kind of understands what I'm trying to do with the AI now. Follow the ones that looked interesting today, but didn't really do that much, and just see if there's maybe the AI was just a day or two early on it. So, I'll open the room bright and early Monday morning again. So, hope everybody has a great weekend, and we'll see you in the trading room Monday morning at 9 o'clock. Bye bye.